Good morning class 10. Today is 30th July. I will continue with the unit 7 lesson 27 probability. We'll discuss some of the question over here. Question number 3. It says that there are 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. These are the 3 coins. Now in this we have to first of all find out the sample space. What is sample space? Total outcome, total possibility when you throw 3 coins or toss 3 coins. So first will be your 3 heads, second 2 head on the first 2, and third one is having the tail. Same way, the first is having the tail, other 2 is having the head. The third one is having, second one is having the tail. Then first one is having the head, other 2 is having the tail. Second is having the head, other 2 is having the tail. The third is having the head, other 2 is having the tail. The 3 is having the tail. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So number of element in the sample space is 8. 8 elements will be there. Now suppose there are 3 coins. So you have taken it out 8. How are you confirm that 8 elements will be there? So there is a formula. Coin 1 is having how many possibility? Either head or tail. So 2. And how many coins are there? 1, 2, 3 in this question. So 2 to the power 3. So 2 to the power 3 will be 8. So that means you have to write 8 elements in the sample space. Now first part is saying you have to find the probability at most 2 heads. Now what is the meaning of at most? The at most means over here in probability chapter 2 heads or less than 2 heads. Means that out of this sample space you will take having the 2 heads or less than 2 also or with no heads also. So let us write down the elements of the event. I have marked down over here. You have to just copy down. Where you can take 2 head or less than 2 head or no heads also. If it is written at most. That means number of element in the event will be or in favorable condition 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 elements are there. So probability will be favorable condition or event element are 7. Total outcome or total element in the sample space is 8. So this is your first part. Second part they are saying you have to find the probability at least 2 head. That means you will take at least 2 head, not less than 2. So your event element will be now this one, 2 head, 1, 2, 3, and you will take this one also. You cannot take less than 2. You can take more than 2. So the element will be 3 heads, 2 head on the first 2 and the third one is having the tail. The first is having the tail and other 2 is having the head. The first and the third is having the head and the second one is having the tail. So number of element in the event will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So probability will be of getting at least 2 head 4 upon total element in the sample space is 8. So when you cancel it, the probability will come out to be 1 by 2. Now the third part. The third part says that exactly 2 heads. In exactly 2 head, what we have to do? So event will be for exactly 2 head. Only 2. You cannot take less than 2 or more than 2 this time. So this one, leaving this one, you can take the all 3. Exactly में only 2 heads. So number of element will be 3. So probability will be 3 by 8. So this is a third question. Question number 6 now. It says that a box of 160 electric bulb. So total bulbs are 160. Contains 12 defective bulb. There are 12 defective bulb. That is bad bulb. One bulb is taken out at a random from that box. What is the probability that the bulb drawn is defective? So before going to the part of the question, there are 160 electric bulb total in this box. Defective bulbs are 12. The good one or non-defective bulb will be how many? 160 minus 12. That is 148 bulbs are non-defective. In first part, we have to find the probability of getting the defective bulb. So, how will you find out? First of all, here you will write down number of bulbs defective. That is 12 over total bulb 160. Now you will cancel it with the table of 4 3 times and this will go 40. So probability of getting the defective bulb is 3 by 40. Second part. In this you have to find the probability of getting non-defective bulb. So how will you do it? How many non-defective means good bulbs, and they are 148 and total bulbs are 160. Now again you will cancel with the table of 4 and this will go 37. So 37 by 40 will be the probability of getting the non-defective bulb from that box. Question number 8. It says that cards bearing numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. These are the numbers on the card are kept in a bag. A card is drawn at random from the bag. Find the probability of getting a card which is a prime number, number divisible by 4, number multiple of 6 and last one is odd number. This is 2018 question. So let's discuss it. So totals, first of all we will write down the sample space. 2, 4, this is the sample space. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total element in the sample space is 10. Now we have to take the first part. Prime number. You know what are prime number, students? That divisible by itself and 1 only. So let's find out the event. So prime number will be 2. Only 2. So total elements in the event will be 1. So the probability of getting a prime number will be 1 upon total is 10. Second part. In second part now we have to find the number divisible by 4. We will take those number from the sample space which are divisible by the 4. So first one will be your 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So you will write down the elements now in the event and now we will count it. So total element will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the event. So probability will be number divisible by 4, 5 and total are 10. So 5 by 10 you cancel it with the table of 5 So it will be 1 by 2. Now the third part. Third part is saying that number, you have to find out the probability that the number is a multiple of 6. So we have to take the multiple of 6. Let's see. You will take this 6, 12, 18. Multiple means the number which come in the table of the 6. So let's write down the element 6, 12, 18. So total elements in this favorable condition or in this event is 1, 2, 3. So the probability will be, when the number is a multiple of 6, will be 3 elements in the event, and total element in the sample space is 10. So that is